Hello and welcome, friends of aviation, to this online Itaro flight from Roma to Athen with the A320 from Phoenix. Let's dive in. The route runway 25 out of Rome via the Rotun 8 Bravo. After that, direction east for our arrival. Runway 21 right in Athen via the Nemes 1 Romeo. Flight level 350, the whole flight about 2 hours 2 minutes, airtime 1 hour 34. The METAR in Rome, we have the wind from 2108 knots, temperature 13 and QNH 0997. So we had stand 404, we'll do the pushback November Zulu, then taxi into Golf, right Delta, then Delta, Delta Mike to holding point runway 25. Roma traffic Itaro 722 pushback at gate 404. Bye-bye. Roma traffic at Itaro 722, taxi November Zulu Golf Delta 2, holding point runway 25. Right clear. And left clear. Fiumicino traffic, Itaro 722, line up, takeoff runway 25. Before takeoff checklist completed and we are good to go. Positive climb, gears up. After takeoff, flaps up, spoilers disarmed, transition level passed, standard cross-checked. External lights off. And 10,000 passed. Landing lights off. Seatbelt signs off.
Signore e signori, potete slacciarvi le cinture di sicurezza. Tuttavia, vi preghiamo di tenerle sempre allacciate mentre siete seduti. Ladies and gentlemen, you may unfasten your seatbelts, but we encourage you to keep them fastened while seated.
We have passed now the Gulf of Naples, now the Gulf of Salerno, and we're flying the south part now from Italy. and then afterwards I expect here Athen radar on 129675. Time for the handshake with Athen radar on 129er, what was that, 675. Athen radar, hello, Itero 722, flight level 350, inbound DNOP video.
Itero 722, καλησπέρα, squawk 7022.
7022, copy, Itero 722.
Scandinavian 77902, position start approved, face east.
Pushback approved. Face east. Scandinavian 77902.
All stations, all sessions, Athen is now closing. Monitor advisory 122.8 and have a nice week. Bye bye.
Yeah, John. Καλό βράδυ. Δεν αφήνουμε να
Bye bye. Have a good day. Have a good night.
Good day.
Thanks, bye.
Γεια σας, καλό βράδυ.
So 1228. Unfortunately, ATC switched off, which means we will do our approach on Unicom. We soon start our descent. We'll go for the Nemes 1 Romeo arrival, which is this one here. To Delta Mike, after to the Echo Golf November 7000. Then I will go for the ILS 21 right, which is this one on 3000 to intercept. We're now inbound Delta Mike on our Nemes 1 Romeo arrival. After we will go to Echo Golf November and then into our ILS Zulu runway 25 right, 21 right. We are passing here at 10, then left here to intercept at 3000. Seatbelt signs on.
Signore e signori, abbiamo iniziato la discesa verso la nostra destinazione. Il comandante informa che da questo momento è vietato l'uso di qualsiasi dispositivo elettronico. Vi preghiamo inoltre di riporre il vostro bagaglio a mano nelle apposite cappelliere sopra di voi, in modo che l'equipaggio possa preparare la cabina per l'atterraggio. Ladies and gentlemen, we have started descending to our destination. The captain informs that from now on the use of any electronic device is forbidden. For a safe landing, please make sure that all hand luggage is securely stowed in the overhead lockers.
Transition level is passed. Bear reference to 997. Passing 10,000. Landing lights on. External lights as well. And then traffic Itero 722 descending to 7000 for the ILS Zulu runway 21 right. Further descent to 4000. Down to 3000 now. Approach checklist, external lights are on, seatbelt signs on, landing system is on, ecom status checked and normal. I will go behind the 777 there. Should be no one else behind, which looks good now.
Athen traffic, 1.625 established, left to 1 right.
We're going in sequence behind the 777 Itero 722. Good visibility. No lot of traffic around. I would say take the control from here. I'll make a visual. Remain sight. Gears down. Speed checked, flaps 2. Flaps 3. Flaps full.
Athen traffic, 1.625, runway 21 vacated.
Thank you. We are now on final runway 21 right, Itero 722. Landing checklist, landing memo, no blue.
Minimum
Continue.
400. 300. 200.
Flight slow.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated till we reached our final parking position and the seatbelt signs has been switched off. If you want to see more of this content, please support me in smashing the like button and leave a comment. Thanks for being on this flight today and have a good time.
I go to stand A35, which is straight and then on the left side. I tried to get a smoother landing, so therefore I'm a bit pissed off about the hard touchdown. Anyway, it was a long flight, and I'm happy to close this one. Finally successful with, unfortunately, a bad landing rate, minus 478 FPM. It is how it is. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like for the work, and hope to see you by the next one. Have fun. Bye bye.